Chandni Arora. You're watching me on Femina.in. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Femina. Start by applying moisturizer to your face. Now, I'm applying a red color corrector on the area under the eyes, cheeks and nose. I'm using a brush to blend, but you can use a beauty blender as well. Now let's begin applying foundation with a flat brush. I like to apply it on my eyelids as well. Take a beauty blender and smoothen the surface so there are no brush strokes visible. Don't forget to blend the foundation on your neck as well. It's now time for eyeshadow. As you can see, her eye makeup look is quite minimal. So I'm taking a nude shade on an eyeshadow brush and apply it on your crease. Move your brush in a circular motion. Take a round blending brush and blend it even further. Now to make your eyes shine like Deepika's, apply a gold metallic shade on your lid. Applying metallic eyeshadows with your finger gives the best payoff. Now, to make your eyes pop like Deepika's, apply your false lashes carefully with your lash glue. Deepika has some strong brows. To replicate that, take some brow pomade, give shape to your brows and fill in the gaps. Then, brush out your eyebrows with a spoolie for even and symmetrical look. Now, I'm applying some brow gel to give color and depth to the brows. Lastly, apply a light shaded concealer under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, cupid bows, chin and on the forehead. Blend everything with your beauty blender for a smooth finish. We can see that Deepika's makeup look has some strong contouring. So I'm applying contour powder under my cheekbones to give a sharp look. I'm contouring my nose as well to make it look longer. Contour your jawline and temples as well. Deepika has a very light blush on, so add some color to your face by applying some blush on the apples of your cheeks. Blend it nicely. Apply mascara on your upper lashes as well as lower lashes. This makes a huge difference. Apply some setting powder under your eyes to set your concealer so that it does budge the whole day. Deepika has beautiful big eyes. To replicate this, apply a nude colored kajal to accentuate the shape of your eyes and make them look bigger. Apply highlighter on the high points of your face. Deepika's red lip is the stunner of this makeup look. So apply a bold red lipstick and shape your lips properly for the perfect pout. Now, finally spray some setting spray to set everything in place. And now you have your finished look. Thanks for watching.